Boy, entering the travel agency. Hi, how's it going? I'm looking to book my first vacation. Can you help me with that? Travel agent. Of course. I'd be happy to help. What kind of trip are you looking for? Do you have any destinations in mind? Boy. Well, I've never really traveled much, so I'm not sure where to go. Maybe somewhere with a beach or a city to explore. I just want a week-long trip and I don't have a huge budget. Travel agent. That sounds exciting. So you're thinking of a one-week trip and you want to either relax at a beach or see a city? Do you want to just chill and relax, or do you want to do some sightseeing or adventurous activities too? Boy, I think I'd like a mix of both. I want to relax, but I also want to explore a bit and do some fun stuff. I'm not sure what's out there though. Travel agent. Got it. We have a lot of great options that can offer both relaxation and adventure. When were you thinking of traveling? Boy, I was thinking about sometime in the next few months. I don't really want to go during the summer because it might be too crowded. Travel agent. That makes sense. Spring or fall would be perfect for avoiding large crowds and getting great weather. Let me show you a few options. Would you prefer a tropical beach destination, or are you more interested in exploring a city? Boy, I like the sound of a tropical beach, but I'm open to a city trip too. Travel agent. Okay, I have a couple of ideas for you. We offer a package to Bali, which includes beach time as well as some cultural tours. There's also a trip to Thailand where you can visit Bangkok and then head to a beach island. Both are great for a mix of relaxation and adventure. Boy, Bali sounds good. What does the Bali package include? Travel agent. For Bali, the package includes flights, 7 nights at a beachfront resort, daily breakfast, 2 guided tours to visit temples and local markets, and airport transfers. The price for that is $1,200 per person. It's a great deal for everything that's included. Boy, that sounds awesome. What about Thailand? Travel agent. For Thailand, we offer a 5-night stay in Bangkok, including a city tour to visit temples, the Grand Palace, and a river cruise. Then you'll fly to Phuket for 3 nights at a beach resort. The cost for this package is $1,500, which includes all flights, accommodation, and the tours in Bangkok. Boy. Bali seems like the better deal. I like the idea of the beach and the culture. Is there a best time to go? Travel agent. Yes, Bali's best weather is from April to October. If you're looking to avoid the rainy season, it's best to travel during that time. Do you have any dates in mind? Boy, I think April would work. How far in advance do I need to book? Travel agent. Booking at least 2 months ahead is ideal. Since it's still a few months away, we should be able to secure your spot. Would you like to proceed with booking Bali? Boy, yeah, I think Bali sounds perfect. What's the next step to finalize everything? Travel agent. Great. To finalize the booking, I'll need your passport details and a 20% deposit, which would be $240. Once the deposit is paid, we'll confirm your booking and you'll receive all the details via email. The remaining balance is due 30 days before your trip. Boy. Okay, I have my passport here. What else do I need to do? Travel agent. I'll just need your full name as it appears on your passport number, and the expiration date. If you have any special requests for the room or anything specific you want, now is a good time to mention that. Boy, I'll give you those details right now. I don't have any special requests though, just the basic booking. Travel agent. Perfect. Now as for the payment schedule, you can pay the deposit today via credit card or bank transfer. You'll then need to pay the remaining balance at least 30 days before your departure. If you prefer, you can make payments in smaller amounts leading up to that deadline. Boy, I'll use my credit card to pay the deposit. Can I pay the rest closer to the date? Travel agent. Yes, you can pay the rest anytime before 30 days before your trip. I'll send you a reminder email a week before the final payment is due, just to make sure you don't forget. Boy, that sounds easy enough. What about the necessary documents? Is there anything I need to prepare? Travel agent. For Bali, you'll need your passport, which should be valid for at least 6 months after your trip. You won't need a visa for stays under 30 days, but if you plan to stay longer, we can help you apply for an extension. There aren't any specific vaccinations required for Bali, but it's always a good idea to check with your doctor if you're unsure. Boy, good to know. Do you also help with travel insurance? I've heard it's important. Travel agent. Yes, we offer travel insurance, which covers things like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. It's a small additional cost, but it's definitely worth considering, especially if you're traveling internationally. Boy, how much does the travel insurance cost? Travel agent. For the entire trip, it's $80 per person. That would give you full coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellation, and lost belongings. Boy, I'll think about it, but I'll probably add it later. Is there anything else I need to prepare before the trip? Travel agent. Make sure to bring a copy of your passport, the travel insurance policy, if you get it, and any important documents like tickets or confirmation emails. You should also bring a few extra copies of your passport just in case you lose it. And if you're not familiar with the currency in Bali, it's good to have some cash in Indonesian rupiah. But most places accept credit cards. Boy, got it. I'll make sure to bring all of that. What about packing? Any tips for Bali? Travel agent. Bali's weather is tropical, so pack light, comfortable clothing like shorts, t-shirts, and swimwear. If you plan on visiting temples, you'll need to wear modest clothing, something that covers your shoulders and knees. You might also want to pack some sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat for the sun. Boy, sounds simple enough. I'll make sure to pack that stuff. What about any special activities or tours in Bali? Are there any must-do things? Travel agent. Definitely. I recommend visiting the Uluwatu Temple, which has a stunning view of the ocean. There's also a famous rice terrace in Ubud that's beautiful for photos. If you're into water sports, Bali has amazing surfing spots. You can also check out some of the local markets for unique souvenirs. If you're looking for adventure, you could try a volcano hike. Boy, that all sounds awesome. I'll have to try the volcano hike if I have time. Do you offer any guided tours for these activities? Travel agent. Yes, we offer guided tours for many of these attractions. For example, we have a day tour to Ubud that includes the rice terraces, local markets, and some temples. It costs $100 for a full day, including a local guide and transportation. Boy, I might be interested in that one. I'll think about it and let you know. Are there any other tours or services you recommend? Travel agent. We also offer an airport transfer service for $50, which includes pickup from the airport and drop off at your hotel. That way you won't have to worry about finding transportation when you arrive. Boy, that sounds convenient. I think I'll add the airport transfer to my booking. How do I add that? Travel agent. I can add it to your booking right now. I'll just update your package and it'll be ready when you arrive. It's a great option for peace of mind when you get to Bali. Boy, perfect. I'm really looking forward to this trip now. Anything else I need to know before I confirm everything? Travel agent. Just a few last tips. Remember to check the local weather a few days before you leave, and try to avoid carrying too much cash around. Bali is a safe destination, but it's always best to stay cautious. And don't forget to relax and enjoy your time there. Boy, thanks for all the advice. I'm feeling a lot more prepared now. Travel agent. You're welcome. I'll confirm your booking and you'll receive an email with all the details. I'll also send you a reminder a few days before your trip. Have a fantastic time in Bali and let us know if you need anything else. Boy, thank you so much for all your help. I'm so excited for this trip. Travel agent. It was my pleasure. Have a great vacation and take care. You're going to love Bali. Boy, thanks again. See you soon. Leaves the agency. Find the mistake. Incorrect sentence, I am going to the airport by foot. Correct sentence, I am going to the airport on foot. Explanation. The correct phrase is on foot to describe walking, not by foot. Incorrect sentence. I can help you with your booking. Correct sentence. I can help you with your booking. Explanation. Can is a modal verb and should be followed by the base form of the verb, not helps. 5 vocabulary words. Deposit. An amount of money paid up front as part of the total payment for something, usually to secure a booking. Visa. A document that allows a person to enter or stay in a country for a certain period of time. Confirmation. The act of making sure something is correct or finalizing it, like confirming a booking or reservation. Transfer. The movement of a person or something from one place to another, like transportation from the airport to the hotel. Cautious. Being careful and avoiding risks or dangers. If you want to learn how to use public transport like a local while improving your English, click the video here or follow the link in the description.